got like.
We're visiting David and Rachel and Emily and
I
Isabel.
forgot that's video.
And the babies are saying hello.
It's video, Em.
Yay!
How much your knees?
Who is that? Who's doing the tickling?
Oh yeah. Upper leg too.
Make sure. Right here.
Well,
That was
very
my killing
smiley
spot.
girl.
Yeah, that's hers.
I guess that ends me.
And there's Elliot, just fascinated.
Oh, look at that.
Careful, Elliot.
All right. It's a lot of cuteness all in one place.
Figure it all out. You should figure it all out. 5 months old. I believe it. 5 months. 5 months, baby. 5 months, baby. Hello, baby girl.
Wow, he's really soaking it all up, huh?
There's a lot
And
going
then
on.
you're moving offices too.
Yeah.
How that coming out? Is that more space or?
Mommy,
It just needs more space. Badly.
yeah.
Wow.
All right, say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye.